Okay, gonna make a short clip here. This is a Showtime Fabrications thumb for a Bobcat E35 mini excavator. I'm gonna do a quick install and fast forward into some reviews on this thing. It looks really heavy duty built, very thick walled steel, very good looking welds. I'm really impressed with the product when it showed up. This did get rained on a little bit in the last couple days getting it to my farm here to install it. So stand by and we'll proceed with some more. This was sent to me by the good people over at Showtime to do a review. I'm not sponsored by them, not paid to do this review. I'm just here to help our channel get an honest opinion on thumbs. I get a lot of responses on the channel to see what thumbs are out there, what recommendations are out there. So I thought I'd reach out to Showtime, and they were nice enough to send this to me. And I'm going to do an install and a quick review and give you guys some feedback. So far, the steel from this thumb is very thick, very well built. The welds are extremely good, really good.
I just want to mention that Showtime Fabrication thumb comes with a 1-year warranty, is built out of AR400 steel, not cheap China junk. They use a USA hydraulic cylinder, completely rebuildable. This thing is built in the USA by quality people here in the USA.
Really good looking product. Now, I had this in the back of my truck for a couple days getting it here to the farm, and it got rained on, but that's all superficial stuff. This thing's going to get worked and see what it'll do. Put it through a little duty cycle stuff and give you my 2 cents what I think about this thing. Comes pre-packaged. It's got a set of hoses here. I'll open those. Looks like pretty good product so far. Get this dude open. Yep, this thing comes with hoses already ready to go. They look really good. Those are some high quality fittings. The hose itself has a sleeve on it, protective sleeve. Yeah, it looks good. Comes with everything you need to install this thing on your Bobcat mini excavator. In this case, they make this product for other excavators also. It's not limited to Bobcat. And we'll get started here. I'll skip through and kind of get this thing installed. Okay, so here's kind of phase 1 of the install. Really like what I'm seeing so far. You actually reuse your bolt there that's from the factory, and they have a hole in their pin. Their pin is longer, obviously, to couple the width of the jaw. Okay, I'm back and the install's done. Kind of walk around it here a little bit. I like how clean the install went. The hoses are nice and tucked up through there, just as they should be. Showtime's crew does a really good job here. These hose lengths are perfect. They've definitely done their homework. Looks great, looks great. Now, I'm yet to put on a couple of pins, or the keepers here. I don't have a spring clamp wrench or pair of pliers here right now, so I'll get that on momentarily. pretty impressive set of jaws. Grabs 2 logs at once. Very strong, very powerful set of jaws so far. Thumb, that is. But those jaws on that thumb are gripping well. Early line says this is the winner, guys. Handling materials with ease. Running it slow here. I'm not trying to slam it backward. The thing's really quick, as you can see. I like how all the clearances are made. The jaws don't come back. The thumb doesn't come back and interfere with any of the hoses, the cylinder. I mean, really good looking thumb there. Smooth operation. There it is, kind of coming back fast. I'll show you what speed does. Hey guys, here we go. We're going to load out some brush here. Use this thumb, put it through some paces, see what kind of grip and how it works. Okay, so again, just loaded out this brush pile. This thumb's working really well. Really impressed. Quality built, strong. Outperforms what I thought it would do. Here was quick work of a brush pile thrown up on this dump trailer. The old Ram. Doing a little dump work. This is after loading that up. Nice little pile of brush we'll stage out here. Build some rabbit habitat. But again, that thumb did this work with ease. Very impressed.